When teaching number, and in particular calculation, in primary school, we tend to use an approach called a concrete pictorial abstract approach. This is now an essential tool in teaching maths in both Key Stage 1 and Key Stage 2. So I'm going to try and explain to you a little bit more through other videos about what this approach is that we use in school. So the concrete approach uses physical objects to help the children to solve mathematical problems. So they'd be introduced to a new mathematical concept, so that could be addition or it could be subtraction, and they would use concrete resources such as real items, beans, blocks, and other manipulatives that we have in school. There is a separate video in which I go into a bit more detail about some of the resources we use in school. When they are comfortable with solving problems and when they have had vast experience of using and handling and applying their skills using these physical resources, we then move on to pictorial representations of these concrete objects. So that could be the children drawing an informal sketch, perhaps, where they represent their apples with drawing circles, or it could be a more recognised way of representing their understanding, their pictorial understanding of perhaps a part whole model or a bar model. And there is a separate video on pictorial which you are welcome to follow at a later time when you've listened to this video. And finally, there is the abstract, where children solve maths problems where they're only using numbers and symbols. So this lends itself hand in hand with our calculations policy, and there are separate videos which break down how we teach the calculations in school to help you parents at home to support your child to understand the different methods that we use in school. There is a written copy of the calculations policy on our website, and also there are short video clips which have children working through some examples which hopefully will help you at home when you're trying to support your child.